So guys, let's understand common expression table, we can say cities, with very interesting example. Okay, so we have question, find employees where salary is equal to or greater than the average salary. Very basic. So we have one table where we have employee ID, salary from employees. Okay, so regular query, what we can do, what we can add here, I'm using subquery. You can use join also. So EID, employee name, salary from employees, where salary greater than equal to, और यहाँ पे हम सब query लिख रहे हैं, select average salary from employees. Okay, this is our another query. So what we will get here, the average salary, right? And then what we are doing, applying greater than equal to. Okay, so what's the fault here? Okay, what's the issue here? Why we are using Windows CT? So the thing is, whenever you run this query, every time it will compare with this subquery. You are getting my point? Because every salary is constant. Whenever you applying this query, okay, so this is returning only single value. And what you can do, suppose that if I am taking this in variable, suppose int evg, okay, and if I'm using this variable here, so this is equal. Okay, you don't need to fire subquery again and again and again, right? That's why Windows CT come into picture, common table expression. Okay, so this is with common table expression example. What I'm doing here, you can see every salary as I'm using with clause and getting this average salary in this particular temporary table. Okay, so this is temporary data, right? And then I'm just writing my main query. So this is one temporary table, this is main query. You should run this with you should run this together. So select EID, employee name, salary, employees, and also we are joining our average salary, just applying, adding the comma, then where salary greater than average salary. Okay, so if you run this query, you will able to get the same result which you are getting with here. Also you can check what's the scope, readability, reusability of the common table expression. If you want to learn complete common table expression with recursive query, link in the description. And guys, if you have not watched the complete SQL course, you can watch this by just clicking on that link which is in description.